Hiya. Right there. Whoops.
Rest.
Let's go. Let's go then, come on. What on me? Come on then! See if something like that really did come for you in real life. Just fucking go for it. Remember, cats and lots of other animals look you right in the eyes. There's a reason why they look in your eyes. They check to see what you're up to. They can tell. You know what my theory is, by the way? I think cats and other animals can tell. I've had cats look at me like that. I've had Bobby look at me like that. And then pure run away. Like, looking at me like that. And I'm like... She just went... I pure run away. And she normally doesn't do it, but other times, and I think I know why. It's because I haven't got naturally dilated pupils. My pupils are always a wee bit more dilated than the next person. They always have been. And I think, and when a cat's pupils are big, what does that mean? It means they're on edge, or they're about to pounce. They're in hunting fucking mode type of thing. No, a cat ecked like that. So when a cat looks at me and sees my pupils big, and it thinks I'm about to fucking pounce. I think it's thinking to itself, this creature before me is about to go for me.